une chanson traditionnelle éthiopienne.
With adventure in your soul, a better way to spend your day than working down home. The gas blew high to Edward's eye. Big Jack do me wrong, and the reason simply was because I could burn all alone. I was tall and shrill, I'm 6'2", but they brought me across the back. My name unknown, that's not my own. They call me Crooked Jack. I've seen old men before their time, and the faces drowned and grey. Well, I never thought so soon would I be lying myself same way. I've killed the day, and I went away to work on hydro down. Sweat and tears, and hopes and fears, and dark and shuddering down. I was tall and shrill, of a 6'2", but they broke me across the back. My name unknown, that's not my own. They call me Crooked Jack. They say that my style is good for the spirit of tender soul. But believe me, boy,